Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And as we get closer to the holiday season, I'm coming back and re-reviewing a lot of watches to give you guys fresh content. I'm getting a lot of watches in the mail. We're going to have more from Invicta and Aragon this week. Trying to share whatever products I have with you guys so you can get an idea of things that maybe you didn't necessarily think you wanted, and all of a sudden you see the video and you're like, yeah, I could really use that. Always getting watches to share with you guys. So I want to come back and review a brand called Alexander. They are a sister company, I believe sister company or brother company, however you want to word that, to Sterling watches. And they have a higher end line called Alexander. And one of their watches, I think my favorite watch in their lineup. They were nice enough to sponsor a lot of videos for me. I love the brand, I love the product, and I want to share with you guys my favorite Alexander watch. And this one here is, it's basically a Rolex styled watch, kind of a Submariner style, you know, similar case. I'm not saying it's exactly like it. It has its own things that makes its own watch. But you know how it is. Every time you have a watch that looks like Submariner, they're like, you know, everybody's like, oh, well, you're just copying a Rolex. Well, you know, Rolex wasn't the first watch ever produced, and their designs aren't really that unique for the regular Submariner. You know, it's a basic design watch. I mean, it's not an Invicta. It's not something that's very unique, and you know, it's a basic design. So you know, there's watches that were like that before Rolex that had that design. So, but nonetheless, that's what people will say. That's what people will think this is when you wear it on your wrist. Those who don't really know, obviously those of you who know what a Rolex is, know this is not one. But this one's called the Olyn, the A420 by Alexander. Again, never thought I would like this one with the black face, black bezel. It's definitely a color combination that I will buy in another watch. It's the only watch I have with that color combination. Besides I have an Aragon gauge like that. But on this one here, it just really pops. This one here is powered by a Valjoux 7750. Those of you who know what that means know that that's a great automatic movement, chronograph style automatic movement. On the back, we have an exhibition window showing the rotor with the Alexander logo. Just a stunning looking watch. You can definitely feel the quality of this watch. Mirror polishing down the center, brush finish on the sides of the bands, and mirror polish case. Surprising on this particular one, they didn't put a helium release valve. That's something pretty common on a lot of dive watches, but you know, nonetheless, it's not a big deal. Nothing I would ever use, but I think this is a stunning watch. It definitely has some good weight for a watch of this size. A little bit more about the specifics on the watch before I throw it on the wrist. You have a couple different styles or color combinations of this one here. You have this one here, naturally, as I showed you, with the black face, black bezel. I have it also in a all black combat edition. Pretty cool. And then they make it in what I thought was going to be my favorite model, the black face gold bezel. They also make it in a white face yellow gold bezel, and then a all black combat edition with blue indices and blue bezel. Specifics on this watch here: you have baton style hands with luminous fill, individually applied stick style indices, polished unidirectional rotating ratcheting bezel. They all ratchet for the most part. For those of you who need to hear that. Oh yeah. For those of you who think that's an indication of quality, just wanted to go ahead and let you hear it. Give you a little more there. Let me line it back up. Alright, push button deployment safety clasp. Again, pretty standard on most watches. Fold over lock. Stainless steel link bracelet, 22 millimeters in band width. And again, Valjoux 7750 movement. You have hours, minutes, chronograph seconds, 30-minute counter, 12-hour counter, small seconds, day and date. This watch beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour, and your power reserve is 40 hours. It is a screw-down fluted crown, which is, oh yeah, I thought for a second let me double check that. Yeah, gosh, I would hope so. Screw-down fluted crown, hardened mineral crystal made of Cristerna front and back. Surprising though for a watch of this price though, it's not sapphire, but again, for me, it doesn't really matter. I've never scratched any watch, but that is kind of a, you know, at the $4,000 price point, which is what this costs, you would think that would be sapphire. And I have seen the price on this watch really kind of fluctuate. I've seen it as low as like $1,800 and all the way up to $4,100, which is what they're listing for now, depending on which color you get. It is a gorgeous looking watch. Every time I wear it, I enjoy it. And you do have a level of quality here that Again, I'm not going to say I can't really, it comes down to that old argument, again, with people who talk about how spending, $8,000 on a watch, you're getting something you can really feel the difference. Ultimately, with a watch like this, I cannot really honestly tell you that the finishing work on this is any better than my, my Neymar watch or my Grand Diver. And maybe I don't know the difference, but for me, I mean, they're both nice, they're both beautiful. A little more weight in the Valjoux. And I mean, naturally, Valjoux, you're getting, if a movement is of concern to you, you're getting a very high quality movement in this. It is a chronograph automatic movement, which definitely drives the price up. And naturally, I mean, it's a fantastic watch. Again, be a smart shopper. But if you're looking for a alternative to a Rolex, this might be a brand you would consider. I will put links in the description just in case there are some better deals on this particular one, maybe through Amazon or eBay. I haven't checked those listings today. They do kind of have sales from time to time, so check that out. But nonetheless, a beautiful watch of great quality. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that on the wrist. Again, this is what it looks like on a 7-inch wrist on a guy my size, my height, my weight. I am about 170 pounds, 5'7" and a half. Like I said, I was pretty surprised with the black how much I like it. It definitely is a classy looking watch. And again, it's not meant to copy a Rolex. I mean, naturally your function pushers are this large rectangular style here. Water resistance on here I failed to mention. I don't know if it 330 feet. So naturally, I mean, that's not super deep. It's not really meant to be a dive instrument, you know what I mean? So if you're looking for something to really go down deep with, I don't recommend this model. It's more of a dive style dress watch. I don't know, I love it. Alright folks, well, let me know what you guys think about the Olyn watch by Alexander. Let me know if you've made a purchase for one. If you do, use my links in the description. That's where you're going to get it for the best deal. Those links are automatically updated, so whatever they're selling for on eBay or Amazon, they will be automatically updated, and so you know you're going to be getting the best deal. eBay is a great indication, and Amazon, of what things are going for. So, and I love eBay is really for the buyer. You're always protected. You don't have to deal with an independent site. It's a great place to buy. So, folks. Again, let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. If you don't click the bell, you won't. Sorry, I screwed that all up. But if you don't click the bell, it won't give you the notification email that I've uploaded new videos. So make sure you do that. 11,417 subscribers. I can't wait till we hit that. Not we, as in me, hit that 12,000 mark. Find me on my social networks. I'm updating all the descriptions now. We'll have all my different social networks. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. Happy holidays. Thanksgiving's almost here. And look forward to sharing more stuff with you guys. All right, have a great day, folks. Take care.